it's an Insta360 X5. Somebody gifted me this.
Wow, shall we unbox it later?
Yes, we'll unbox it now. Let's unbox now.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll get the scissors.
Hello everyone. Kuzuzangpo. Namaste. So today I have a very exciting stuff to show you guys. So what do you think it is? So it is a Insta360 X5.
Can I join
So
you?
this thing, yeah, come sit.
Thank you.
So this camera has been gifted to me by somebody special. So please watch till the end. I will mention who gifted me. So I'll do the unboxing of this camera today. So this is my son, Mr. Bhutan, and
also somebody gifted him. Wait. Also, they
memory
gifted
card.
a memory card.
Yes. So it's a 256 GB memory card. So thank you so much. So we'll do the unboxing of this. Please continue watching the
Watch
video.
the whole video.
Yeah. Okay, let's unbox.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Sounds really good. Sounds good. So you guys might be asking why I have a pen. Because this pen has a sharp tip, which is made of metal.
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
Which can pierce.
No,
through
not like
things.
this. So I'll show you. So you go through this line and then
Oh,
you see a line there.
let's see.
Yes.
Not sure.
Yep, done. That's it. That's
Okay.
it. Now you pull this. Wow.
Oh, wow. Thanks for that. Dang. Ooh, kind of heavy. I'm gonna open it like this.
Yes. No, do it like this.
Oh,
Now
okay.
you do.
Oh
My God.
look, guys, it comes with the stick and a battery. Wait, is that a battery?
Let's see. Let's check which one.
Yeah, I'm
Let's
sure-
check one by one. So first,
I'm sure it's a.
so everyone knows that.
I
So
wonder how long it gets.
what's this?
A stick.
Insta stick.
Oh.
So it's like
Oh, this one is good.
1 meter long.
Yeah, definitely 1 meter. Wait, wait. Oh, that's just
that's
normal.
it. Yeah.
That's just normal.
So it's a
I felt something.
1 meter long Insta stick.
Okay,
Here.
and like I said,
Let's check this. What's inside this? It says user manual.
user manual.
So,
It
yeah.
has small,
So
small items.
it's a guide how to use the camera.
Oh, it's a guidebook.
Yep. So
Wait, what's that?
it's for the moisture. So throw away. Do not eat. Silica gel.
So I guess you
So
can
it's like
absorb gel.
it absorbs moisture.
Oh.
Okay.
Liquid things.
So these are all the guides. User guides.
Oh,
There's warranty
you
card.
can already get his stickers.
Whoa, see this?
A
Insta
sticker.
sticker.
Ooh, that looks cool. Let's keep it outside here.
This is just also manual.
Oh my god, why is this so
there's-
much?
So it's for the different parts. You have different manual
Oh my
instructions.
god.
Okay. And there's a small box right here. What do you think this is?
Something that can charge?
Whoa, nice guess, bro.
Let's see. Oh,
What is it?
it's a battery.
Yay! It's an extra battery. So
If we lost the
so,
battery,
yeah,
I think.
in case if you're going to carry just this box, so if you have an extra memory card, you can put it here also. See, you can keep the memory cards here.
Dang,
Okay.
that's sick.
So if you carry this box,
Now for the final. Oh,
whoa! Let's keep this aside.
the Insta box.
Yep. Dun, 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 dun.
Let's count down.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Wait, oh, it has all of them.
Yes.
Ooh,
See,
more
see
stand-
here. This is the fast charger. So,
Wait, why is there like 2? Wait,
so one's already here in the camera.
In
One
the
battery is
camera.
already in the camera.
and one is already out
Yes.
the camera.
Yes. So there's 2 battery with the thing box essential bundle. So you can take out this battery and also put here and charge it together. Okay,
So we
same
can
like
save
this.
it.
Same like this. If you want to carry extra memory card, you don't have to carry that box. You can carry it here.
Oh
Put
my
it
god,
here.
this i5.
So you can close this so that the memory card doesn't fall out.
That's it.
So you can carry this.
Charge batteries only.
Yes, it's a
Not
fast
it.
charger. It's a fast charger.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep this aside and let's see what's here.
It says standard lens guard.
Lens guard. So
Lens
lens,
guard.
camera lens, no?
Can I put it in your eye?
So it's same, no, yeah.
Kind
Lens
of.
means
Wait.
it's a camera lens.
Oh, the cameras.
So it's same like putting a protector on your phone. Your phone has a guard, no?
Oh yeah, like a camera.
Yes. So
You
these are,
design.
yes.
I wonder why my hands are
Okay.
a bit sticky.
So what's here? Okay, we don't have anything, just the lens.
Yeah.
There's two lenses on the back and front of the camera. Okay, and something is here. What's this? Oh, there's a pouch. Okay, so
Pouch?
it's a camera pouch.
Camera pouch.
Okay, you have the USB Type-C to C cable here, and this cloth to clean the camera lens.
Oh yeah, I also got that.
What's here?
Wait, there's a pocket. Yeah, there's
The
to
That's
put
it.
everything else. And,
And
for the final camera,
camera. Wow, yes.
it has
Very
two
beautiful.
sides. Ooh, I like the texture at the front.
This one?
This one, yeah.
Like this one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
I like the shiny
So
ones.
let's open it. Wow.
Dang.
So this is also a protector.
Yeah, just like the Instas.
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay, I think you should put the lens immediately. Lens
Yeah.
protector. Okay. So that the dust.
So the dust, so it won't make it dirty.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Put it immediately. Okay. Can you pull off this
Yes.
slowly?
father.
Just the blue one. Yes. Pull it off fast. Okay.
Looks like
So to put this, you have to match the hole here
but then
and just rotate. Okay. So once this hole is matched, so it's locked.
ooh,
Okay.
it can lock.
So same thing, you'll do it here, this side, other side.
Right.
Yeah, remove fast.
This
No, this one.
oh,
Okay.
finally.
Fast.
Oh, it's very sticky.
Again, same. You put it in this angle and just twist it. So that's it. So that way we don't have any dust inside the lens. So let's remove this.
Wait,
I
ooh.
think it's for the speakers or something.
Yes, it is. I can see like speaker lines. Oh yeah,
Yeah, I think it's a speaker.
it is.
Okay.
Also, there should be at the back.
And
No,
this is the screen.
to see the view.
See this. Very beautiful.
Yeah. So I'm
Okay,
guessing
let's turn on the thing.
there's a button somewhere.
So yes, it's the power button here.
Oh, the power button is there. Oh, it sounds the same.
Whoa!
Wait, oh,
So,
we have.
so you
oh,
need
we
the
have
app,
to
you know.
scan.
Choose the language. So you choose
Wait, you can
English.
even choose different. Okay.
Yes, if you know different language, you can choose
Oh.
different language. You download the app. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'll do this later. So because I need to connect to the app. So this is the Insta360 X5, and it's the Essential Bundle.
Essential
So, oh, I have to put the memory card also there. See, so this is the
Oh,
memory card, no?
so that's part of that, I guess.
Yes.
Wait,
So
I wonder why they didn't put it in there, right?
So I need this. Right.
Make sure not to hit the memory card, or it might not work.
Okay.
Oh, it comes in two.
Okay.
The small one.
So that's the main memory card.
It's really
So
small.
this is the card reader where you put into your laptop. So
we make the
like
video
this.
there,
yes,
and we use that to connect to the laptop.
yes. But with Insta you don't usually need this
Yeah.
because it's directly connected to your phone, no?
Yeah.
So you can easily download the videos on your phone. So to
And you
install
can connect
this,
the phone to the laptop.
I'll turn off the camera once.
That sounds the same.
Yep. Then I will check which side the camera. This is the charging port, okay?
Oh.
So I think it's on the battery
So there's
side.
like two different kinds
So
of
it's
it.
on the battery side. So I
So
just press two buttons, the
that
battery
must-
comes out.
Oh, that's the battery.
Yep, right here. See, it says SD card.
Okay.
See, SD.
SD. So I will also put this battery in there.
Oh,
Okay.
just now we'll do here. Put it here and then later we'll charge it. Yeah. So to put the battery, you just have to press inside. It gets locked.
Oh, this side pushes up to lock.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's it, guys. And so this camera and everything was gifted to me by Mr. Khaled. So thank you so much, Mr. Khaled. It's a very big gift for me. It's a very special one. So thank you so much, sir. From my bottom of my heart, I'm really thankful. So you can also say thank you.
Thank you for watching our videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment our video. You can share the video if you like.
Thank you.